Hello everyone, I am Babin Bid and now I am going to introduce to a new project SkyCast AI, an intelligent weather dashboard. So I build it using Streamlit and let's have a look whatever I made. So this is the current page. Okay, skycastai.streamlit.app. You can visit here and by default I was making a choice to use the OpenWeatherMap, and whatever you need to put your API key over here. And one more important thing is never use others API key because you know that API keys are very secret. Okay, so just put your OpenWeatherMap API key over here. And if you don't know how to get an API key from OpenWeatherMap, so I will show you the process how to get your own API key. And by default, why I am choosing the OpenWeatherMap instead of weatherapi.com, I will tell you later on this video. Okay, so just see. So whatever you need to search openweathermap.org. Okay, so as I am already logged in to it. So I have my own API key. So after sign in, you will see a name of yours over here and just click on it and go to my API keys. Okay, here you will find your API key. So just copy it. Okay, and put it over here. Then enter. Okay, so here you can get and select temperature unit. You can select a metric or imperial. For metric the temperature will show in Celsius unit, and for imperial the temperature will show in Fahrenheit unit. Okay, so it is by default in metric unit. So if you choose auto detect from IP, so the API will fetch your IP address and directly show your current location. And if you want to know weather report manually, so you need to enter a city name. So let's say I am choosing London. Okay, I want to know the weather of London right now. So I just need to write London and enter. Okay. So here, current weather, it is showing the temperature, humidity, wind speed, feels like pressure. Okay, wind direction, these matrices. And here it is also given the condition, broken clouds. Okay, with respect to that place. And here is a 5-day weather forecast and detailed forecast for the upcoming 5 days. Okay, and here it is written data provided by your selected providers. For OpenWeatherMap, get a free API key at openweathermap.org as I have shown you earlier. And for Weather API, get one at weatherapi.com. So the same process you need to follow to get an API key from weatherapi.com. If you more flexible to Weather API. Okay. So as I told you earlier that OpenWeatherMap is more preferable than weatherapi.com because the data that we will get by using our OpenWeatherMap API key is more accurate to the current world data. Okay, so let us check this. So just search London weather. Okay, and see here it is showing 14 degrees centigrade, and here we get 14.65 degrees centigrade, which is nearly equals to, okay. And here you can see the humidity is 86 percentage, and our API gives us 85 percentage. So it is nearly equal. Okay. And now if you want to see this result in uh, through the weatherapi.com, so you just need to select weatherapi.com from here. Okay. Then it is asking enter your API key for weatherapi.com. So for same process, you just need to search weatherapi.com, then enter. And after sign in, you just need to go your API my account, and here you will get your API key. Okay. I am telling again and again that never use others API key. Okay, make your own API key and keep it secret. So just copy it and the thing is for weather API, the API key will expire after 14 days. So nothing, do not worry about that. You can regenerate your API key from here. Okay, just you need to agree the checkbox over here and regenerate key. Okay, so I am showing. Okay, just copy it and paste over here and enter. And as I previously put London, so it will directly give me the weather report for London. Okay, just check, cross check one more here. It is showing the details of London. Temperature 15 degrees centigrade. Okay, and humidity 82 percentage. So you can see the temperature of London is now 14 degrees centigrade and humidity is 86 percentage. So 15 degrees centigrade is nearly equals to 14 degrees centigrade. Okay, but the humidity is lesser than the current humidity, about 4 percentage. Okay, so there is a much difference. But for OpenWeatherMap API, you have seen before that the humidity, it will give us 85 percentage. So that is more nearly equals to 86 percentage. That's why I was telling you previously that using Open Weather Map API is more accurate than using Weather Map API key, weatherapi.com. Okay, so it's completely your choice, whatever you want to choose. But I'm just telling you because I had tested several times. That's why. Okay, so this is the overall project. Um, may you enjoy the whole video and let me know whatever I need to change in future on this project. So have a nice day. Thank you.